Presenting Redmi 12C smartphone. The available colors are lavender purple, matte black, mint green and royal blue. Get super smooth experience with 4GB RAM expandable up to 6GB, 64GB storage expandable up to 128GB. Immerse yourself as you binge on your favorite movies and web series with its large 6.71 HD Plus display. The display features scratch-resistant glass, oleophobic coating with 500 nits peak brightness. Get clear details and vivid photographs with the 50-megapixel AI dual camera. Take selfies with 5-megapixel front camera. Experience enhanced gaming experience with MediaTek Helio G85 and 1 GHz GPU. Enjoy all-day charge with 5000 mAh battery. The box includes smartphone, power adapter, SIM tray ejector and an USB cable. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.